Welcome to an introduction to NUCCA, which stands for the National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the demands and daily stresses of life, but we must remember that our health is essential. Many factors can add stress to our spinal column, such as motor vehicle accidents, falls, lifting heavy weights, sitting for prolonged periods, and even the daily stresses of life. These factors can alter our body balance, leading to pain and discomfort. Sometimes, we may not even realize we have a problem until the pain becomes noticeable. Chronic health issues can cause severe pain and suffering, impacting all areas of life. However, we know that prioritizing our health and well-being allows us to live life to the fullest. NUCCA is a specific type of chiropractic care that corrects a minor misalignment between the head and neck called the atlas subluxation complex using an image-guided procedure. This subtle correction helps restore balance to the entire spinal column and body. This is crucial for good health because this precise procedure helps to optimize the brainstem and central nervous system. In 1966, Dr. Ralph Gregory founded NUCCA to develop a more accurate method for rebalancing the body. This approach to spinal care has been very successful and is verified by our extensive research conducted by the Upper Cervical Research Foundation. The ongoing NUCCA research has shown that problems in the upper neck can lead to structural, neurological, physiological, and pathological issues. Therefore, NUCCA doctors and UCRF researchers continue to study the upper cervical spine to understand better its role in illness, health, and lifetime wellness. It's not just about physical discomfort. The resulting spinal imbalance can also lower the quality of life and increase the number of years spent struggling with poor mobility and function. NUCCA doctors are dedicated to helping you correct your posture to improve your overall well-being and maintain balance for life.
I chose to become a chiropractor because my mom had been in a car accident when I was a young girl, and it changed the way she lived life. She became very cranky and uncomfortable, and so we learned what it was like to live with somebody who had chronic pain. And then when she finally found NUCCA treatment, which is the type of chiropractic I do now, it was like getting her life back. So I decided if it was that great for my mother, then I could do it for my family and for other people as well.
When a NUCCA doctor corrects the atlas subluxation complex, it unlocks the power of the body to heal and thrive. The NUCCA upper cervical intervention has been proven to restore postural balance, which can lead to increased energy, spinal stability, and overall well-being. With a well-balanced body, we can tap into our natural self-maintenance and self-healing capabilities, allowing us to function and move at our best. Abnormal postural stress on the spinal column can cause a significant amount of discomfort and pain, which is often overlooked. This is where NUCCA provides a precise procedure based on mathematics, physics, and biomechanics to address these body imbalances. We understand that a misaligned upper cervical spine can negatively influence your overall well-being, which our UCRF research and years of clinical care confirm.
I had thought I was deformed. My whole life I had a short left leg, and I thought I was just deformed for life, but I wasn't. My atlas was just subluxated. And as soon as he put my atlas in place, my legs were the same length. And then he measured my weight was balanced on each foot, my hips were level, and they were no longer rotated. Everything lined right up.
I really like the fact that NUCCA is gentle. I don't come out feeling worse or like I need to spend days recovering. I feel really trusting, and I just find that the gentle care is what has allowed me to heal at a quicker rate.
NUCCA practitioners conduct a comprehensive initial assessment of the patient's health history and physical well-being. They also check leg length and capture postural measurements to ascertain the degree of spinal distortion. If the body is significantly imbalanced, the doctors use diagnostic images to guide a customized, targeted correction to meet each patient's specific requirements. Because of these precise measurements, the personalized subtle correction is very gentle and improves the nervous system and body balance. Post images are taken after the initial corrective procedure to ensure the completeness and effectiveness of the first correction. It is known that an optimal spinal correction leads to a greater chance of recovery. As everyone's spinal correction and healing response is unique, the NUCCA doctor will closely monitor you with follow-up visits. These visits are vital to ensure that the spinal correction is maintained for as long as possible, for this is how the body's optimal healing process will continue. Adjustments are only provided when measurable imbalances are detected in the body. One of the important features of the NUCCA procedure is the long-lasting correction, which ultimately leads to less reliance on practitioners with fewer visits. NUCCA is a healthcare approach that effectively corrects misaligned body posture and spinal imbalance. Our care of the spine is guided by practice guidelines that have been researched and developed to ensure the best possible outcomes for our patients. Every patient's situation is unique, so we provide individualized care tailored to your needs. NUCCA has benefited millions of people, and you can consult with a NUCCA doctor without a referral. We invite you to choose NUCCA Care for a personalized approach to your health and wellness. For more information on NUCCA and to find a NUCCA practitioner nearest you, please visit www.nucca.org.